What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel that hasn't been displaying any content for a very long time, so I decided to kick it off with something food related because I don't know if you guys have been following me on Instagram, but it's been popping off with the food. So I am making a comeback documentary of me trying to, can I say sell or give away food from my home in exchange for donations of money. All right, I'm trying to sell food out of my house, and what we're doing is birria tacos. So I don't know if you guys knew this, but I used to do cocktails in the past, and now I'm thinking about doing food because it's definitely something that I've been passionate about for a very, very long time. And if you know me personally, then you know I am. Anyway, so I'm gonna do this by days or something. I don't even know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. But this is day one of prep, and basically day one of prep leading up into Saturday. And mind you, today is Tuesday. Day one of prep is gonna consist of getting my cilantro cut, my onions, my radish, garlic peeled, all the cold stuff out of the way for the most part. Because what I'm doing on Saturday is I'm making birria tacos. Birria tacos, tacos dorados con queso. What else? I'm doing a birria bao bun. Now, this is something I experimented with where I made the bao fresh, but come to find out when I ate it, it's cool to make it fresh, but the ones you buy in the store are kind of the same. Anyway, so I'm going to get those from the store. Not fresh, unfortunately. And the tortillas, maybe in the future fresh, but right now it's just me and my homie Paolo going to cook outside of my house on a flat top that I just bought, and we're going to make it happen. And this is the days leading up to. So right now it's Tuesday. The big day is on Saturday. And so I'm trying to get as much ahead as I can because I do have work. So I work a full-time job, and then I have some other endeavors on the side. But basically, Saturday's going to be the big day, and hopefully we can get all this prep done tonight. What is it? 9:45 right now, all right? And I put this blast out on Instagram, by the way, so hopefully people show up. I'm getting a lot of messages, so I'm guessing people are going to show up. But it's 9:45. I want to get all this stuff done by 10:30. Be in bed because you know your boy's waking up and going to the gym. So this is day one, Tuesday. Let's get it. Well, now that I'm crying and my eyes feel like a burning inferno, I have to disclaimer that I won't be able to cuss on YouTube anymore, so anytime I say shit or and balls, there's going to be a little beep like this one. And that's just how it's going to go. But yeah, couldn't cuss more because I just did a shitload of onions right now. Super quick, look at this. Don't worry, I washed my hands twice. Spread the word, not germs, everybody wash your hands, Got the onions done. Now we're going to move on to the cilantro and the radish. I think this should be enough. Right here, what do we have? We have 48 ounces. There's about 8 cups of onions. That should serve enough people if we're just putting enough topping on there. But damn, always have backup for your backup. That's the golden rule about being in the kitchen, baby. All right, next up, let's move. Next on things to cut, we're doing the cilantro. You already know what it is. That beautiful green plant that looks like a weed and tastes like soap. It's too late for this, that's why. Oh, God. That's nice and fresh. Wash it first, then chop it up. I swear, I pulled it out of the market and it had mud all over it. I took that shit and I put it in. See, that's where the beep is going to come in. I took that and washed it real good in water. Water, clean water. Not that dirty hand water, all right? Now let's cut this stuff up. Right, so we pulled off all the leaves from the parsley. No sticks, no stems, boy. All right, maybe there are some sticks and stems. We're just going to chop them up anyway, really nice and fine, and that's how we're going to make it happen, all right? All right. Snoop Dogg, let's go. So it's 10:45 p.m. It's been about an hour. I need to go to bed. But I still have to finish. Right now I'm cutting up these radishes. Now, funny thing about these bad boys is I never liked them. I think even up until now I just forced myself to eat them. But they look good on a plate and they're like traditional Mexican. Yep. Just doesn't do it for me. So I'm debating on whether to pickle them or just do normal. Just serve them on there like this. Paper thin. Not paper thin. Very, how do you call it? Inconsistent. That's what I would call them. That's kind of spicy. Oof. Oof. Okay, we move on. So just so you know, I'm in a split squat right now. Split stance. Standing in the splits. Because my camera's low. I'm getting tired of standing straight up. And right now I'm just peeling garlic. Yep. Peeling garlic. There's an easier way to do this. I know. But you know what? Fuck it. What you would do is you would take two bowls, put them together, right? One on top of the other, you'd put the garlic inside and you shake it vigorously and it should peel the garlic. I don't really feel like doing that right now, but I'm about almost ready to do it because this is gonna take forever. Yeah! Alright, you guys, so that's day one. Done. Now, day one's not too exciting because it's all the cold prep, it's all the size, like the onions, the radish, the cilantro, all that easy shit. Next, we gotta go down here into the fridge. You see this? This is the meat. We're gonna cook that inside of the stock. We still have to make the stock. The stock takes about 24 hours. Nah, it's gonna be 12 to 16 hours. Cooking overnight in big ass pots because I make my stock fresh. We don't cut no corners around here, son. Anyway, we're still gonna make the stock, salsa. Gotta pick up tortillas, double time. We're doing 2-size tortillas and a flour tortilla for breakfast. And I gotta pick up eggs and scramble those fucking eggs. Whoa. Whoa, when you say it out loud, you're like, damn, there's still a lot that needs to be done. I got 2 bags of cheese. That's not enough. I'm probably gonna have to get a little bit more cheese. But it's all coming together, slowly but surely. There's still Friday night. But other than that, thank you for following me on this journey, the journey to selling tacos out of my house. Just so you guys know, I'm not starting out of nowhere. I've been cooking on my Instagram and stuff like that, and there's a lot of people that I met through the restaurants that I've worked at that hopefully are watching this right now. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Chino Suave's back. Don't forget to No. We're going to 2019 approach. Don't forget to lightly tap the like button. Gently, ever so gently, tap the like button. Okay? And don't forget to subscribe. Lightly tap the subscribe button. And leave a comment below telling me what you think of this video or whatever you want. Alright, you guys, I will see you on day 2 of this video. Turns out that's a negative on the bao buns. They don't have any bao buns here at Greenland Market. I'm gonna have to go to 99 Ranch or find some place that does. It's gonna be a trip. But you know what they do have? They have a wide selection of kitchen cutlery and tools, which is amazing. Some of which I could have used a while ago. Alright, so we'll check back in when I can find the bao. What's happening, guys? This is day 3 of prep. I got my boy Paulo helping out right now in the kitchen, chopping up these grains, baby. What are you doing right now?
Chopping up some cilantro.
The cilantro. Oh, almost like we're making Vietnamese food. We got this empty pot full of water. Yep. That's gonna be everything we're gonna serve. Just kidding, we got these green tomatillos right here. Tomatillos are gonna make the salsa. We got our cilantro. He's just prepping more because I doubt that half container is enough. And then we got this big ass pot for the birria, but we might need to use 2 pots, which we have right over here. Plastic bags. We got it all, man. We went through the whole ringer today. We drove around for hours before we even got back to prep. What time is it right now? It's 10:12. There's one thing I gotta show you. My dad pawned this off to me when I got the coolers from his house. Look at this. I just hung it up literally 10 minutes ago. That's not me, that's my dad. That's me. Dad, Mom. Me. Oh, what happened? I used to be so cute. It's up. I'm gonna bleep that too, baby. Alright, you guys, stay tuned for more as the food progresses. It's gonna be crazy, man. Alright, you guys, so roast to the bones. We got all of our mirepoix together. Put it in this pot. I did it about halfway because it's a tall pot, so I can scoop all that out tomorrow. But I leave it on a low simmer all night. And that's how you get some bomb stock, baby. Keep it on really low, and you won't burn your house down. Here's the dirty dishes. We created a lot. We also semi-rinsed them. My dishwasher's going, so we're all good on that. But check this shit. Made the salsa. This stuff came out a little bit hot. Actually, very hot. Nice and dark. We'll see how it is tomorrow when it cools down. For some reason, salsa has a different taste when it's hot. It's just something about hot salsas is not very appealing. But yeah, so thanks, Paulo, for coming through. You guys, don't forget to lightly tap that like button and lightly tap that subscribe button. And subscribe because we got more stuff along the way. This is just a vlog, basically, of how I sold food out of my house. Kind of like a restaurant, but not really. Did you look at that? We even got plastic bags to go. Overdoing it? Maybe. Necessary? I don't know. Anyways. Till next time. It's going on. This is day 4. That's my mom in the fridge. I'm recording right now, Mom. Sorry. But I'm gonna cook the meat as soon as that salsa goes in.
Okay, then let me go get some more limes.
Because we're recording the day up until. No, I don't think so.
Well, text me if you do.
Okay.
Jessica, you need anything?
So we're. You need some squish? Some poop? Jessica's working on the menu right now. So this is day 4. This is day 4 of prep. Final day before tomorrow. Saturday is when we start serving these things. All this is going to be cleared out. We're going to put 2 tables right here. So just in case people want to sit around, they can come and sit down and eat. But mostly it's just going to be to go. Look at this menu. What do you look at that? Just look at that. What do you look at that? Alright, so we got all the chilies and stuff ready for the birria salsa. The stuff I put inside the stock is only half full right now. Tons of fat on top, ready to turn red. We're going to blend that up in this blender right here. Blender. And then we're going to pour it inside of there, let it boil up, and then we're going to add our meat and let our meat cook real slow for a very, very long time. Alright, so more updates a little bit later. Once I finish this birria, I will send a picture. You guys don't forget to lightly tap the like button and subscribe lightly. Alright? But that being said, I'm going to move forward and I'll show you guys what happens next. Just finished up doing the chilies, putting it inside of the stock. I tasted the stock without the meat in it, no salt, and it was really light, and I was freaking out. And I was like, what the hell? This doesn't look the way it looked last time. And I realized that when you put the meat in, the blood cooks up and makes the stock darker. It makes it deeper. So don't trip out if your shit's light. Just wait till you cook the meat. But look, this is what we got going on so far. Will you look at it? Look at all that fat. There's like 4 hunks of meat, okay? I still have a couple more pounds right here. It's been going. It's been going, and I got another stock pot going because the meat overflows the stock. So, smells pretty good. So the goal right now is to wait till the meat breaks down so I can give it a little tissy taste. And we'll see how well it tastes, you know, once it's salted and all that good stuff. We got the limes cut. I got a whole bunch of limes right here. So if people want limes with their tacos, they get limes with their tacos. We got those extra Coke, Sprite, Diet Coke, whatevers. Oh, man. We got to move all the furniture right now. I got a whole box of tortillas over here. It's going down, friends. Chino Suave's cooking up birria, baby. Oh, so I'm doing this thing, birria bao bun. Basically, I take a bao bun. Instead of making it fresh, I bought them frozen. Screw it. Making them fresh and frozen. The frozen ones taste better anyway. And you dip it in the fat and you fry it so it's crispy on one side. And then you pour some soup in there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my God. So tomorrow, when it all starts going down, we'll get to see the magic happen. People tasting the food. Hopefully it tastes good. That's all I'm worried about. I just want people to like the food. That's all I'm worried about. But yeah, guys. So more on this later. Let's just keep cooking. We just gotta keep cooking, baby. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Chino Suave. This is the day. We're making the tacos today. Cole's the second, actually, customer of the day. We had Stevie come through. He bought a breakfast burrito. And Cole brought benches, man. Benches and a table. And we have this huge setup. And it looks like the fucking Holy Cathedral. We need the fourth chair over there. Paulo's out here making it happen. Look at our line setup. I think it's pretty professional.
Did you show them my spot?
And this is Jessica's spot.
Thanks.
Thanks. More as we progress. Honey, haircut, it's okay, it's so close to the edge. We're in the kitchen right now with pilau. Cooking them greens, boy. We got that sexy mirepoix in the oven. Hopefully that's enough. And now I'm about to make... So, it's cooler now. So, I just want to thank everybody for coming in and eating the food and making it a really busy day. There's still more people trickling in. I do have some leftover food. One thing you still can. Yeah. Thanks, everybody. I love everybody. Jesse's like, don't come. We're trying to close up. Nah, I just want to sell the rest of this stuff. I really appreciate everybody who came out, man. I can't even put into words how grateful I am.